Have you ever wondered what the future of warfare technology would look like? Imagine a battlefield dominated by advanced tanks, where technology and strategy converge. These aren't just vehicles, but intelligent war machines, the epitome of future military prowess. Welcome to the battlefield of 2050. Imagine a tank that can operate without a human crew. Its brain, an advanced artificial intelligence, navigates terrain, identifies threats, and makes strategic decisions. It's a self-reliant warrior, guided by algorithms and real-time data. This isn't science fiction, it's the future of warfare. What if a tank could obliterate targets with beams of concentrated energy? High-energy directed weapons like lasers offer immense potential. They are capable of instantaneous, precise strikes from great distances and can serve as unparalleled defensive tools. Powerful, precise, and deadly, these weapons are game changers on the battlefield. A future tank needs to be invisible and invincible. Imagine a chameleon on steroids. That's what digital camouflage technology does for our tank, seamlessly blending it with any environment. But what good is invisibility without invincibility? The tank's structure is crafted from advanced materials, making it virtually bulletproof. It's a fortress on wheels, shrugging off enemy fire as if it were a mere drizzle. In the battlefield of the future, the best defense is a good offense. How do future tanks conquer any terrain and stay connected with allied forces? Picture a tank that thrives in every environment: dense forests, steep mountains, sandy deserts, and even icy landscapes. This is achieved through advanced suspension systems, reactive ground clearance adjustments, and smart adaptive traction control. But it's not just about maneuvering. These future tanks are also integrated into a vast battlefield network, ensuring seamless communication with other units. This cooperative connectivity enhances situational awareness and coordination. The future tank is a master of adaptability and coordination. What powers these future tanks and how do they defend against threats? The answer is a blend of green energy sources like solar and biofuels, reducing the environmental footprint of warfare. But it's not just about being eco-friendly. These tanks are equipped with multi-layered defense systems, using advanced materials and technologies to repel attacks. Coupled with state-of-the-art sensor equipment, they provide a 360-degree awareness of the battlefield, identifying threats before they strike. The future tank is a green, smart, and formidable fortress. How do you control a tank that's miles away? Through simulated driver compartments and remote control, of course. This technology prioritizes safety and efficiency, allowing operators to command these behemoths from a distance. The future tank brings the battlefield to you. The future of warfare is here. Imagine a battlefield dominated by autonomous tanks, armed with high-energy weapons, cloaked in digital camouflage, navigating all terrains, communicating seamlessly, powered by clean energy, and controlled remotely. The future tank, a technological marvel that's rewriting the rules of warfare. Welcome to the future.